Hello guys, welcome to Gadget Bars, and today in this video I will be reviewing the Aosp extended ROM for the Redmi Note 3 Pro. So it's running on the Android 11 and the security patch is September 5, 2021. Now let me just quickly show into the about section of this phone. As you can see, it's running on the Android version 11 and the September 5 is the security patch. If I go to the extensions, you can literally customize everything. Every single thing, like even the lock screen you can customize. There is a dedicated gaming mode, and there is also a gesture navigation bar. I think you can use the on-screen navigation bar as well as the system navigation bar. So now let me just talk about the ROM experience. The ROM feels pretty good in my opinion. It's not that bad. Yeah, sometimes it lags and the device gets heat up. Other than that, the ROM feels pretty good in my opinion. The RAM management is not that bad. It's average. The battery life is also average, I guess. Like it should last you the day-to-day task. As you can see, it's showing that it lasts until 11:45 p.m. The information is wrong actually. In my opinion, it should last you around like 1.5 hours, I guess. Yeah, the battery life is not that great in this ROM. Now let me just talk about the other functionality like security. If I go to security, the fingerprint, face lock, everything is working fine, no issues. I tried everything, it's working fine. And if I go to the camera section, you have a portrait mode, photo mode, the video recording and the translator mode. So this is the live translate where you can just put your camera and it will translate for you. And yeah, for now I'm using this Oxygen OS 11 icon pack, which looks really clean in my opinion. And yeah, so I think while installing this ROM, you should go for the GApps Nano version. Don't install the stock because, as you know, the Redmi Note 3 have I think 16 GB space, if I'm not wrong. Let me just quickly check it. Yeah, it's totally 16 GB. So I think you should be better going for the GApps, the Nano version. The link will be in the description box below. Everything will be in the description box below, whatever I have, whatever I used in this video, even the icon pack also. So yeah, other than this, from my point of view, this ROM feels really good. It still needs to be optimized bit well. Sometimes it gets a bit laggy. So yeah, other than that, I think there is no such requirement for add-ons. Everything is good. Everything is working fine. You have this gesture. You can also use these gestures. I don't really use those gestures. Like I'm good to go with the simple stuff. Let me just show you something. So yeah, you can take screenshots like this. You can edit screenshots from here also, which is really good. And regarding this, the VoLTE 4G VoLTE I tested. For me it's working fine. Yeah, sometimes the 4G VoLTE doesn't respond. So what you have to do is remove the SIM card and you have to put again. So that's one issue I faced. Other than that, I didn't face any issue. Like everything is working smooth. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries, put it in the comment box. I will help you. Or yeah, if you get any errors, just comment me. I can help you. Yeah, so that's it for the video guys. Thank you.